Hi and a very good day. I bid to Dr. Mini. I am Najratuna Ibn Jafar and this is our group members. So for this presentation, me and Farisa Soleha will represent our group 2 to explain about the similarities and differences between Moina and Daphnia. So as an introduction of Daphnia and Moina, Daphnia are small freshwater cladoceran crustaceans, commonly called water flies. This common name is the result of not only of their size but their short, jerky, hopping movement in water. The genera Daphnia and Moina are closely related, so they occur throughout the world and collectively known as Daphnia. So we can say there's not much about the differences because they're very closely related. So after this, we will explain about the similarities that were explained by Farisa and differences by myself.
Hi, my name is Farisa Saleha and my metric is S63513 and I'm going to present about the similarities in habitat of Daphnia and Moina. Daphnia and Moina are small aquatic crustaceans in order of Gladocera and they are commonly found in freshwater habitats such as pond, lake and stream. Both Daphnia and Moina are able to tolerate in a wide range of environmental conditions. Daphnia and Moina also have similarities on their morphology, where they have a simple and streamlined body shape with a head, thorax, and also abdomen. Both have a pair of compound eyes and a pair of antennae, which they use to sense their environment and to detect a food. Both Daphnia and Moina use their mandibles to capture and crush their food to eat. Therefore, Daphnia and Moina also have similarities on their reproductive system, where both Daphnia and Moina have a simple reproductive system and they are able to reproduce quickly in favorable conditions. Both Daphnia and Moina also produce sexual and asexual in a process called pathogenesis, where male gametes are unnecessary, which means mostly all female can spawn without fertilization by male.
So now we will discuss about differences between Moina and Daphnia. We will divide into morphology and nutritional value. So in terms of morphology, Moina is actually smaller than Daphnia in size, and Moina are approximately half the maximum length of Daphnia in adult stage or in juvenile stage. So for the next one is the broad pouch of Moina is open, whereas Daphnia possesses a closed pouch. So the Moina head is usually smoothly rounded dorsally with no rostrum compared to Daphnia, which is have a very clear rostrum. Another morphology that we can differentiate between Daphnia and Moina is their antennal. Moina antennal are large and conspicuous, meanwhile Daphnia antennals small and not prominent. If we can see in the pointed arrow, we can clearly see the Moina antennal, but not in Daphnia. And the last differences in terms of morphology between Daphnia and Moina is Daphnia have a tail spine but not in Moina. So for the next differences, we will discuss about nutritional value. So in terms of protein, between Daphnia and Moina, there's no huge difference between them. Daphnia have about 45% and Moina have about 50%. But in terms of fat, there's a significant difference, which is Daphnia have a 4% and Moina have a 20 to 27%. So this is why, according to FAO, Daphnia is not a suitable prey organism for marine organism because of its low content of essential fatty acids and in particular entry high unsaturated fatty acid. Meanwhile for Moina, Moina is successfully used in laviculture of rainbow trout, salmon and street bass and by tropical fish hobbies who also use it in a frozen form to feed over 60 fresh and seawater of fish varieties. So this is the references that we use to find information about the similarities and differences between Moina and Daphnia. So that's all from our group. Thank you.